8:11 now, Steve and Ted here on KNSS. And it's time for Wednesdays with Wagle, Dr. Jason Wagle with Kansas Perio and Dental Implants. Good morning, Dr. Wagle.
Hey, good morning, Steve.
You know, we hear a lot about dental implants, and the question that I've been wondering about is, how do those implants stay in your mouth?
Steve, that's a great question. The answer has to do with the scientific breakthrough. Dental implants are cylindrical or tapered posts, typically made of titanium, and are placed in the jawbone as artificial tooth roots to support prosthetic teeth. They're held in place by a process called Osseo Integration. This process was identified by Dr. P.I. Brannemark, a Swedish researcher who pioneered dental implants back in the 1960s.
Okay. What does Osseo Integration mean?
Okay. Osseo is the medical term for bone. Osseointegration means that the implant becomes integrated into the bone itself. Over time, the bone cells attach themselves to the implant.
Okay, so how secure is the implant then?
You know, the dental implant becomes as fixed and secure in the bone as a natural, healthy tooth.
So what's the success rate with dental implants then?
You know, it's actually one of the most successful procedures in medicine or dentistry. The overall success rate is greater than 95% and often as high as 98%.
So if the implant is fixed in place, the teeth attached to it must also be secure, right?
Correct. Because the new prosthetic teeth are firmly anchored in the bone, they look and function just like natural teeth. That's a big improvement over conventional dentures that are often difficult to keep in place.
And you routinely place dental implants in your office, right?
Yes, we do. You know, Steve, the surgical placement of dental implants can be technique sensitive, but it is very predictable. After the implant has been healed, has been placed, the process is completed by the general dentist, who is in charge of placing the tooth or teeth on the implant. We work with your general dentist to get the most optimal outcome.
What's the most common comment you get from patients after dental implant treatment then?
At Kansas Perio, the comment we hear most often is, "I wish I'd done implant treatment sooner."
All right. Thank you for your time this morning. Wednesdays with Wagle. That's sponsored by Kansas Perio and Dental Implants. So when it's time to get serious about your smile, go to kansasperio.com. Phone number is 685-2731. Wednesdays with Wagle here with Steve and Ted on KNSS. Well, we had